Alright, in this video we'll start a brand new Android Studio project. So let's click start a new Android Studio project. Application name dictionary, and in company domain I just put riyadh.com. You can put yours. And here is the project location. Now let's click next. The minimum API we are setting is 17. As you can see, it covers 98% of the devices. Now let's click next. We'll be working on an empty activity, so let's select empty activity and next. Let's keep activity name main activity and finish. So this is what we have after creating an empty activity. Pretty empty as expected, but don't worry, we'll fill this up in no time. Now before we do anything, let's add some implementation in build.gradle. And here we added support, design, card view, recycler view, and material progress bar. This is a progress bar library, and we'll be using all of this implementation in our app. Now we sync the project. We don't have a menu, so let's create a menu. Resource, new, directory, menu, and now menu, new, file, menu underscore main dot xml. Okay, so let's create the menu, and inside the menu we need to add menu items. So settings and exit is the menu item. These items have their own ID and title, and this order in category is their order. Now we need to add this XML file in the main activity. First, we need to override onCreate option menu, and this get menu inflator.inflate adds our menu main to the action bar. And to import this menu, we need to press Alt Enter on Windows and Option Enter on Mac. And here in import, we can see the menu is imported. And now to handle the clicks on our menu item, we need to override on option item selected. And here we need to import this menu item. And here in this variable ID, we get the item ID. For the click on settings, let's keep it empty for now. And for the click on exit, this system.exit exits the app. And that's all for this video.